School was rough for me. I got bullied a lot, making everything even more difficult.
Give me your homework.
It took me the whole night. I'm not giving it to you.
You little bastard. Will you give it to me or not?
That was the...
I almost died. Oh no, time's over. Oh, curses. Miss Delight's gonna kill me if I get late again this week.
All right, the class
Wait.
starts.
Ow.
What is that? CATNAP?
Whoa. Ouch. Sorry I'm late.
You're late again, young man.
It wasn't my fault. I
Then
swear.
you get punished. Hang me the homework. We got him right here, miss.
I don't have mine. I can't believe it.
Looking for this? Here you go, miss.
Dog day. It's perfect. Good boy. Homework.
He stole it from
You'll
me.
never learn, won't you? Punishment.
Ouch. That's not fair. Well, at least I got some good food, right?
Give us your lunch.
Yeah. My meal? Oh, there's no way.
We're not asking your permission.
What are you doing? Ouch. My delicious meal.
Delicious indeed.
I wanted to make them pay someday. My food was gone, but not my hope.